Yay, it finally turned on. I don't know if anyone can hear me, but I don't know what that was, but anyways. Hello everyone, my name is... Sorry, I forgot my name. You can call me Melody for now. I have been here for a while, so I was wondering if you guys could give me suggestions on how to leave. That's all for now. Bye everyone.